Hello there, and a very happy new year to you. I know it's not my first video this year. I've been working on some wedding cake topper stuff, hence why I'm in my YouTube uniform today, because I'm still filming some intros and stuff for that. I hope you had a lovely Christmas. Ours was really nice, super quiet, and yeah, just rested a lot really. I don't even remember my video just before Christmas. Basically I said that I've been having some issues with a bit of FND stuff, but also kind of posture related stuff. So I've had a really sore shoulder, and it's meant that I've had to really think about making the studio a whole lot more ergonomic. So I've had to spend a bit of a small fortune really on a new chair and some other stuff, which I'll do a video about at some point, because I'm sure it'd be really helpful for some folks out there that are also suffering with a bit of kind of muscular pain. It's just so important to look after your body, isn't it? So yeah, hopefully that'll be useful. And my latest aid is this lovely motor for my pasta machine. Basically I use a Atlas or Marcato Atlas machine, and I really love it, but because of my shoulder pain I just haven't been able to start on any project work this year because yeah, I've not wanted to aggravate it. So I think what I'm going to do is unbox this and yeah, attach it to my pasta machine and see how it works. So let's see what this is like. So I'm at a bit of an awkward angle, but here's the kit, and it's super shiny, so I don't know how long it's going to look so clean, particularly with me as I'm quite a messy worker, but I think it attaches onto the Marcato Atlas machine here. So let's take this out. Just get the instruction book out, which is something that I'm terrible for not doing. Can't quite fathom how it attaches. So here it is, all attached, and excuse the awkward angle, this was kind of the best way I could show it really. But I'm, yeah, impressed so far. It's attached pretty well, which yeah, it feels quite secure actually, which is nice. I did worry a bit about that. And as a little surprise actually, it came with a British plug, because I thought it'd be a continental plug, so I did actually buy an attachment with this, which, you know, I don't need, so yeah, that's quite nice. So I guess the thing is now to demonstrate it. So you'll see here it's got a few settings. There's pulse on and off, so I'm going to turn it on, but I think it's quite loud, so we'll see how this works out. Gosh, that is really impressive actually. So let's try it on pulse. Oh right, so it is just pulse, so if you hold your finger down then it'll, you know, it makes the motor operates. So I would say that that is probably about as loud as a vacuum cleaner. So, you know, it's certainly not quiet, but it's not super loud. So I was a bit worried about that, if I'm honest, because I hate loud noises so much. But yeah, I guess we'll see how it goes. I'll probably do another review of it as time goes on, and I'd be really interested to hear from you if you've got one too, as to how you're getting on with it. And I'll link below to the link where I got it from actually, if you're interested in getting one too. You know, as I say, it's all about looking after your body, isn't it? I think ever since I hit kind of 40, everything seems to be going wrong. So yeah, it's about being mindful and trying to reduce any pressure points on your body really. So hopefully this will be the way forward, and I can start making some flipping clay projects again, because I've just not been able to do anything so far. Loads of ideas, and yeah, just no body to be able to do them. So yeah, fingers crossed anyway. So as a little reminder of my clay work, Here's a project that I worked on just before Christmas, and it's a polymer painting, and it's for Frida's self-portrait with a monkey. So another project that I worked on just before Christmas was for this little guy here, who you might recognise as The Amazing Maurice, which is a movie that was released at Christmas time by Sky TV, and it's also in cinemas, and I was commissioned by Poster Spy to create a poster in my own style, and yeah, this is Maurice. It was just such a lot of fun to make, but an awful lot of work actually, because it's in a different style really to what I'm comfortable with, so you know, always creates a little bit kind of more work in many ways. But yeah, I'm super pleased with how he turns out. And I made some of the rats as well. There's Peaches there. Made me a bit sad actually, because I did film quite a lot of me making Maurice in landscape for a studio vlog, but for whatever reason it was really grainy, so I wasn't able to do that. But I did create some portrait footage for Poster Spy, so maybe I'll put some on the side here that you can see. But I really loved working on the project, but I think really it was the instigator to all of my kind of shoulder pain and everything, because it was quite intensive work for, gosh, around 2 weeks. Sorry, there's lorries and stuff outside. So yeah, it was quite intensive, but you know, it was just a lovely end result really, so I was super pleased with that. We've come to Coombe Abbey Country Park today, and it's really cold, but it's just such a beautiful morning. The sunshine's just perfect, so hopefully you'll enjoy a bit of a walk with us.
You okay?
So I think I'm going to end the vlog here, and yeah, I've just got loads of ideas for different bits of content for my YouTube channel this year, and now I've got my motor, I can actually get started on some projects, so I'm super excited about that. And yeah, I'll be back really soon. I've got part 2 of my wedding cake topper coming up next week, and I'll probably do them weekly after that as well. And I'll maybe fit in another vlog here and there, you never know. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.